Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a fine day. I know you see all of my beautiful moisturizer. It is humid, it's drizzling as we speak. But today I want to share with you all, I dropped some seeds. Yeah, I planted all 8 of my little moringa trees. And I want to talk to you all about my LSU gold. Ooh, she is doing great, yes. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! Yay! Okay, let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's harvest this baby. She's long enough. Let's see if I can get her. Come here, honey. Come here, baby. Boom. That's a cucumber, y'all. That's a cucumber. Look at that thing. Oh, wow. So, this is another one back there. See her right there? Yeah. There's more. Where? If you can see that through there. Anyway, I got about 2 more back there. So, there's another one. Oh, wait. There was a longer one somewhere. There she is right there. There she is right there. Oh boy, oh boy. Well, let's get her inside. Let's get her inside. Boom. It is about 6:30 Tuesday evening. These are all of my Moringa Olifera trees. And I'm going to plant them all in the ground today. Yes. So if you never heard of a Moringa Olifera, you should know she has many names. She's called a miracle tree, the tree of life, the drumstick tree. She is amazing. So I had a moringa tree. I planted her from seed, and all of these trees are from seed. They are, oh, wait a minute, I see something, y'all. I gotta get him. Maybe I didn't see it. But I had a moringa tree, and I planted it in the ground. I started it from seed. I planted it in the ground in 2017. And when we had that crazy weather with, ice, we didn't get snow. Texas did, but yeah, my moringa tree died. She was in the ground. She was in the ground, yeah. She was very tall, and I would cut her down every year. I would cut her down. But, oh, sorry, baby. But, now that, she is, she's dead, that's okay. I dropped more seeds, guys. So let me plant the rest of these babies, and I'm gonna come back and share with you what they all look like. All right? All right, guys, so there is all 8 of my moringa trees. There they are, Moringa Oliferas. They grow really fast. They are not picky about soil, no, but this is some great compost in here. I am going to give them some 511 But it has been raining. It's kind of wet, so I'm going to wait till tomorrow to give them that. So they'll be fine tonight. So, but there they are. My chocolate mint coleus. It was a gift from Cheryl and Chris over there at Back to Our Roots Homestead. And as you can see, they are gorgeous. They're gorgeous. So I dropped 10 seeds and 3 of them germinated. And that's what you see here, 3 plants. Now they are perennials and I will keep getting them bushy by pinching them. I will be sharing that. Yeah, but they're gorgeous. This is what I harvest today. I harvest some of my purple peppers. I harvest 2 of those burgundy okras. Yeah, I'm gonna just fry them with my lunch today. Yeah. Some leeks and green onions. 3 bells. 1 purple pepper. And 6 figs from Fiona. But my LSU Gold, oh man, she have a lot of her figs are getting very, very swollen, and I am excited. Yeah, I just want to be patient and not pull the fruit off the plant before time, right? So I'm gonna be patient. But yeah, this is my harvest for today, guys. This cucumber, yo, this thing here. Yeah. So I have another one, and I'm going to take both of them, and I'm going to slice them, and I'm going to make pickles, sliced pickles from them. Yeah, that's what we're going to do, and put it in the refrigerator. I could water bath them, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put them in the refrigerator because Jody and I going to eat these things. Yeah. And Jada. All right, guys. That's my harvest. Amen. So I'm in my kitchen, and this is 1 big onion I've cut up. And this is a lot of seasoning I've cut up. So this is bell peppers, garlic, green onions, leeks. What else is in here? Oh, celery. Yes. Well, this is all cut up. I'm going to put my onions in here, and then I'm going to put them in a freezer bag. There it all is, all cut up. And now I'm going to put it in the freezer. So when I need it, it's there for me. Hey guys, I done dropped this thing at least about 3 times full of soil. But I'm going to drop some seeds here. I'm going to drop some rutabagas. Sure, but I'm going to drop that. I'm going to drop some parsley, some spearmint, and some more lemon balm. Lemon balm. I'm going to drop that today. My grow table, here are the 5 that I just put in. There's 3 here and 2 here. And the other ones are doing well. They're doing really good. Everybody is doing good. Good. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, so I'm looking for this one. And some of them they still coming up. Yeah. They'll be good. Anyway, that's my little seeding table. Got some here. Great. Wonderful. Alright, guys. There it is. The quiet time of day. I love this time of day. I'm sitting over here in this corner. Yeah, I have okra right there. That's okra growing over there. And that's my other sunflowers and Mexican sunflowers and zinnias and so on and so on, you know. But yeah, this is a great time of day. I love this time in the garden, even though sometimes the bugs drive me crazy, because this is behind my trellis for my cucumbers, and that's that sugar cane. And look, see, there is another sugar cane by her feet. I knew it was, because you know they just grow pups. But look at the black-eyed Susies back there. I'm looking for more of my moonflowers. I haven't seen any, but it's okay. The black-eyed Susies look beautiful. They're standing tall, looking all cute back there. But let me share these flowers with you, okay? This plant is getting more and more peppers on it. And these two, as dark as they are, you know, they look like they would be purple peppers, right? But they're going to turn really, really red. Red. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful peppers. Yeah. Anyway, here. We go up. Boom, y'all. Just like that. Got a seed. Let's see. Come here, baby. Oh, yeah, you can feel them when they come out perfect. These are my big girls. My big girls. These are the big zeniths. They're beautiful here. Look at that. Yeah. Awesome. I don't know what it is, but we have lots of fruit coming up. But the flowers, the zeniths are big and beautiful. You saw me take some of the seeds because, God, I want them. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to come back out in the garden one more time before the day is over. Just to walk around for a minute before I say goodnight to everybody. Look at that one there, right? It will be used for seeds for next season. Yeah. That's a long bean, huh? I wanted to share this before I go. And these are my LSU goes, and as you can see, look. Oh, let me bring it down, I'm sorry. Look how swole she getting. Huh? The girl gets swole. And there's another one getting fat like that. I think in a couple of days, you know, I'll be, oh, and this one is leaning down some. Look at that. She's really big. That's a big girl. So let me see, can I put my hand back there to sort of help you see it? How big she is. She's really big compared to that one over there. This one is pretty big, but this one is really nice. So I had a LSU purple. I ate it, yo. But another one is turning purple. But I ate the other one. Yup. I ate her right out here in this garden. She was good. All right. Yeah, but anyway, I'm looking forward to more. I'm getting more and more figs in my refrigerator, and all of those figs, well, maybe 6 or 7 I got from another brown turkey tree, but all of the other ones are from Miss Fiona. Miss Fiona, this girl is a beast, y'all. She's a beast. And I love her. I love her. Yeah, but anyway, guys, you all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And we will talk tomorrow. All right, guys.